All right, here we go for area. Now area is super easy, length times width, side times side if it's a square. So let's take a look. We've got, remember the same way we did perimeter? We have our 1, 2 on this side and 1, 2, 3 on this side. Okay, so what do we have? Length times width. Our length is 3 units. Our width is 2 units. So length times width equals 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay? You can also, I know in second grade, they add up the squares. I'm sorry, in third grade they add up the squares, which is the same. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sometimes they're a little bit too big, so we go with our formula of length times width. Let's take a look at B. Same thing. We have go from dot to dot. So 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our area equals length times width. On your reference chart, you're going to see square is side times side. Why? Because all 4 sides are the same. Then we have our rectangle is length times width. Okay? If you think about it, our square, if we do side times side, it's length times width. It's the same thing. So our length is 4, our width is 3, so length is 4 times 3 equals what? 12. It is very important that we know our multiplication facts. If you don't, what can you use? Your multiplication chart. Okay? Let's go to D and take a look there. Here on D, let me move up a little bit, you're given the area and you're given the length. What is the width? Well, let's find out. We've got area equals length times width. Let's plug it in. Area equals 8. Length is 4. And we don't know what the width is. But we do know our facts, right? 4 times what equals 8? 2. Are we right? 4 and 2. Yes. Same thing with E. Let's take a look at F. We mentioned that a square is a little bit different. It's side times side. Area equals side times side. We do know that the area is 9. We do know that the length or the side is 3. 3 times what gives us 9? 3 times 3. Length times width, like I said, area of a square and the area of a rectangle is the same thing. Okay? Let's take a look at the next side. Let's look at K. Let's go with the inside unit. Here it's like 2 different problems. We've got 1, 2, the area of a square, 2 units. What is the area of a square? Side times side. What is 2 times 2? 4. Oops, sorry. 2 is a side, area is 4. If we go with the bigger one, we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 is the units for the side. Units. So if we had 4, we would have area equals 4 times 4, which is 16 square units. Okay? Let's take a look at N. 36 square units is the area. That's the inside. All of this, the area of the inside. So this time we have area equals side times side. This time our area is what? 36. Side times side. The S and the S mean it has to be the same number. What number times itself gives you 36? For some kiddos that don't know, start with the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. Why am I doing the same number over and over, or doubled? Because it has to be the same number. So one side has to be 6. This has to be 6. If one side is 6, they are all 6. I don't add them up because that's perimeter. Area is the inside. Okay? And that wraps up your area. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.